What's going on, guys? We got snow for the second time in a week, and I had planned on going and riding in this, but as you can see, the sun is setting, so I'm gonna attempt it tomorrow. So today, I thought I'd upload a video I never uploaded. This is the reverse direction, the counterclockwise direction of Cane Ridge from a couple of weeks ago. So enjoy. We'll get out in this tomorrow. Hopefully I won't die, and we'll get another video up soon. Such a good trail. Hello. Back way has a lot more climbing. Time constraint is keeping me on this trail as opposed to the longer ones. I think it's obvious I'm a little nervous on these corners. Just don't want to hit my rib again since it's already damaged. It's funny, every time someone sees this bike, they reference Seinfeld. He had a pulse hanging up, which was modeled down and a group set or two down, but still a fantastic bike. Lots of climbing this direction. He's handling it well. It's also a little muddy today, and it's gripping nicely. Kind of hard to see the mud. It's all under the leaves. This is all climbing this direction. Parts that felt like downhill the other way were just flats. Now we're descending a little. And it's over. Thanks for climbing. You can come on. It's okay. I need a break anyway. How's your day? Huh? Yeah.
It's such a nice day for it. I'm like, gosh, I hope that these days come more often.
I know. I waited way too long. I was off today, and I should have come out this morning.
Yeah, you should have, because, like, gosh, it's already closing in on us.
I know. I did this a couple times and then just came back the other way. I forgot how steep, Billy, and hilly it is coming the other way.
Oh, well, that's good to know. Because
Yeah.
I will probably do a second loop the same way.
I would do it this way.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a safe ride.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy the rest of the sunlight.
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
Oh. All right, almost back. Couple little loop-de-loos, couple switchbacks, should be back. There's the road, so they're almost back. At least we're to the top of the hill anyway. I'm just gonna take this leisurely on down. My goal today was get out and enjoy the day, stretch out the legs. Nothing fast, nothing crazy. I've never claimed to be very good anyway. Used to be okay, but it's been a long time since I've put my foot down in anger in a competition of any kind. Road, mountain, or triathlon. So yeah, don't claim to be a excellent cyclist, just claim to enjoy it. One more run. Trying to keep it as dry as possible too, so I don't have to go spray it off. I'm gonna try to ride again in the morning before work at Barfield, so we'll see. Still need to change this saddle. It's comfortable, but it's heavy. And I can actually feel it's a little wider than I'd like. It's a little hard to get off the back without a dropper and this saddle. But our day is done. Pretty much anyway. And we made it before the sun came down. Just, but made it before the sun came down. You can probably see the cars. 2 switchbacks and we're back.